Hello, and welcome to DDI's Georgia Premier EVR training. My name is Dylan Dorn, and today's training will be on the Georgia ETR system for top-only transactions. Note that you should only choose a top-only transaction when the vehicle will be registered out of state or the ETR transaction is listed as an exception. Exceptions are things with more than 3 trade-ins, non-motorized vehicles, and the like. To see a full list of ETR processing exceptions, please visit our Help Center. You will begin a top-only transaction in the same way a normal ETR transaction is begun, by selecting New Registration from the top navigation ribbon. Next, you will select the correct type of title, and then select Temporary Operating Permit Only. You will get a note that says a top-only transaction is only allowed under the conditions I stated a moment ago. Begin by performing a vehicle lookup by clicking the Lookup Vehicle option and then adding your VIN. Click Run Vehicle Inquiry, and once the information appears, click Use this vehicle. Verify or correct any missing or incorrect information, and anything with a red background. Also, enter your deal number if you wish to utilize this information on any reports. Once you have ensured that all of the information is correct, scroll down to the bottom and click OK. When you type the vehicle make, be certain that you choose the correct pre-populated name from the drop-down box. Next, scroll down and click Edit Odometer. Enter the odometer reading and select whether it is actual, exempt, not actual, or whether it exceeds the mileage mechanical limits. Check this if your DMS import pre-populates the information to make sure it is the correct current mileage. Otherwise, once you have entered it, click OK. Next, click Edit Plate Details. In this screen, you'll enter the top control number to be issued, and then click OK. If it is a top only for out-of-state registrations, you will check the box stating that this is an out-of-state title. Scroll down and click Add Owner, and enter the owner's 12-digit individual customer ID, business name, or business license. Then select Run Owner Inquiry. You will need to add the leading 3 zeros if the driver's license is only 9 digits and the primary owner's telephone number is required. Once the correct owner appears, you will select Use this owner and click Use this owner. You will do the same to add additional owners. Please note that if the owner address that the state provides does not match the owner's driver's license, you must edit the address or information by clicking the Edit Pin icon and save those changes. Then you must complete the Georgia MV34 form, which is in state forms above, if the vehicle will be titled in Georgia. If this is a lease, which is normal only for franchise dealers, click Add Lessee. You will need their driver's license number, business ID or name, and their phone number, or you will manually add this information. For the insurance, you only need to edit the insurance if it is a fleet transaction, as it defaults to binder. Edit the vehicle tax details. For used vehicles, you must enter the purchase price as shown on your bill of sale. If there is an exemption, select the correct option and enter the Georgia Sales Tax ID. Otherwise, click OK, and we will calculate the TAVT rate %. Once this is completed, scroll back up to the top. You should have green check marks instead of yellow ones. Then you'll click Save, and then Submit. You will see that fees are listed in the Fees section. Note that these fees could change if you make changes to existing information or if you finalize after the 30-day deadline. At this time, you will load your top paper in your printer and click Top to print out the top temp tag. Once that has been completed, you will close this page. Click Georgia MV1 and MV7D forms, print those forms and have the owner sign them. If you have a DMS system which is accurately calculating the TAVT and other information, you may use those forms. Otherwise, print these from DDI and have the owner sign them. The forms, along with the other documents you will provide to your customer, if they will title the vehicle in Georgia or take to the tag office yourself. Once you're done, click Dashboard to return to your dashboard. This concludes the training for a top-only transaction for Georgia ETR. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful day.